In this lesson, we are going to crop, mask, or frame a picture into a circle with transparent background.
Let's do it.
So let's get started. Let's open up GIMP. And let's drag our picture into the working area. And just say convert. This is really easy. You just take the circle tool, lasso, and draw a circle around her face. Press shift if you want a perfect circle. See, shift will make it a perfect circle. If I let go, it's not a perfect circle. So I press shift while I'm holding down the left mouse button to resize the circle. And let's just position it like that. Move the circle a little bit, adjust it. Now that we have the circle properly positioned, let's go to Layer, Mask, Add Layer Mask. And this selection is checked. It's just selection. Add. Okay, now we go to Image, Crop to Selection, because we don't need that extra space around it. And now we just need to export it. File, Export As. Make sure you select PNG because that's going to give you the transparent background. It won't work with JPEG. PNG. Export, and click export again. It should be done. Now let's go look for the new file. And there we have it. This was the original picture. And now we have a circle picture, which we can use as a profile, avatar, or a testimonial in a website. All kinds of uses to have a circle these days, especially with social media, always having a circle profile picture. And that concludes this video. May long life, fortune, and the force be with you. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success. Thank you.